Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I've felt inspired to alter a playing card, which is the same size as an ATC, 2.5 by 3.5. And I am going to be sending this off to Annie over at Annie's Creates here on YouTube, and she's having an ATC challenge giveaway. And I haven't done one in a while, and I was thinking, oh, I'll just make her something. So here is my ATC little folio that I made. Use some papers from Hobby Lobby that I just purchased. It's like, what is it called? It is called Rose Faith Meadow, and here is all the papers. It's just a lot of florals. They're big prints, but perfectly for like folios or pockets and things like that. So I wanted to use this because I just purchased it and I just wanted to use it. So I picked out a sheet that I really like, and I made this little belly band, which is just a ribbon. And then this is something that I had in my stash, which I took off the foam squares, because I don't like these. I don't like these foam squares. They're just terrible. But I love this image. It's on my ATC card. And then I made this little folio for Annie. I thought it was super cute. And here is my little altered playing card. And I just layered it with some book pages that I had in my stash, some pink floral paper that I just used on um, um, a pocket that I just did. It was on my desk, and some lace and these. I'm trying to use up these these die cuts that I, went crazy die cutting. Here is that image or ephemera piece that I had, an extra one, so she can use it on something. I know she said no extras, but I did, kind of in the other. I wanted, this is going to be in this pocket, and then, you know, this was empty, so I had to put something in there. I hope you don't mind, Annie, but I had to do that. And then in the back, I have my information. My address, my birthday. I printed this out a long time ago, and I added some lace and a little sticker. Um, and that is my ATC for Annie. And so I'm going to be sending this off to her. If I can put this ribbon back on, I think I can. Because I don't want to undo the bow. Hopefully I can do that. Yes, I am able to. Yay. So this is going to go in an envelope to Annie for her ATC challenge. I'll have her link down below so you can go check her out and join in on the fun. She is a great, great crafter. So funny, so inspiring. She's just one of a kind, and I know a lot of people love her to death. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.